Roses are red, violets are blue. These strange and exotic facts about these seasonal juicy fruits will not only shock you, it'll daze you. Let's embark on our ever-exciting journey of strange and exotic facts about summer seasonal juicy fruits. Of course, the cucumber is one of the juicy fruits we'll take a look at. So if you're guessing this video is going to be fun, way to go, you're very right. The first fruit on our list is blackberries. Here are some really strange facts about blackberries. Just as the island of Greenland isn't particularly green, technically blackberries are not berries at all. Instead, each fruit is an aggregation of dozens of tiny fruits called drupelets. There's only one notable difference between raspberries and blackberries, and this difference can only be spotted when these fruits are harvested. While the stem breaks off at the branch and stays with the fruit when you pick blackberries, the stem stays with the branch when you harvest raspberries. Some Christians believe blackberry juice represents the blood of Christ. You see, a part of Christian doctrine suggests the crown of thorns placed on Jesus' head before crucifixion was made from blackberry bramble. Blackberries need to be refrigerated immediately after being picked, or else they'll go bad just before you say Jack Robinson. In most cases, they could only last to 3 days after being harvested. But that's about it. Store your blackberries in the fridge if you have no plans of putting them to use immediately after harvesting them. Blackberries facilitate childbirth and reduce the pain of labor. This is because blackberries are high in vitamin K, which can act as a muscle relaxant. Let's waltz to our second fruit, mangoes. Pakistan, India, and the Philippines all have the mango as their national fruit. Located in East Khandesh in central India, the oldest living mango tree is thought to be 300 years old. Here's the interesting part. The ancient still produces fruits. The heaviest recorded mango weighed 3.435 kilo and measured 30.48 centimeter in length, 49.53 centimeter in circumference. Every year, about 43 million tons of mangoes are produced around the world. The United States imports more mangoes than any country in the world, including fresh, dried, frozen, juiced, and preserved mango. I know you just can't wait to see what fruits like cucumbers have in store for us, as we hinted earlier. But these facts about our next fruit will blow your mind. Step forward. Fruit number 3. Watermelons. Watermelons are made up of 92% of water. I mean, isn't that why they're called watermelons in the first place? It's obviously because they contain a large volume of water, not alcohol or yogurt. In ancient Egypt, watermelons were placed in burial tombs to nourish the soul after they had passed. A watermelon's flesh is not always red. It can be orange, green, yellow, or white. I'm quite sure you can't help but wonder what they'd taste like. Due to its citrulline content, watermelons can be considered a natural Viagra. The heaviest watermelon recorded weighed 350.5 lbs and was grown in 2013. Cherries. The average cherry tree has 7,000 cherries. A single tree can yield enough cherries to make 28 pies. A cherry tree can be harvested in 7 seconds. Thanks to the introduction of mechanical tree shakers, the laborious process of hand-picking cherries now takes a mere 7 seconds per tree. There's a downside to this, though. The machine is so intense that it shortens the lifespan of the trees by 7 years. There are more than 1,000 different varieties of this amazing fruit. From Lamberts to Lapins to Rainers and Royal Annes, there are more than 500 varieties of sweet cherries and almost as many tart ones. But only a small percentage, around 20 or so altogether, are used in commercial production. Cherries promote better sleep. Cherries are a natural source of melatonin, hence their ability to regulate sleep-wake cycles. Consuming cherries, either by eating the fruits or drinking the juice, may improve sleep quality and duration. Cherries come in a variety of colors, including red, yellow, and black. Each color variant offers a slightly different flavor profile, allowing for a diverse and exciting culinary experience. On to the next fruit we probably have been anticipating. Step forward, cucumbers. Cucumbers can cure bad breath. A slice pressed to the roof of your mouth for 30 seconds with your tongue allows the phytochemicals to eliminate the problematic bacteria. The waxy coating of a cucumber can remove ink. Unlike the school erasers that were said to remove pen marks, cucumbers do. Rubbing the skin over the writing will slowly remove it. Cucumbers can be up to 2 feet long. Crazy! Cucumbers can be grown in a soilless medium, such as in water. This method is known as hydroponics. It takes as short as just 12 weeks from sowing cucumber seed to harvesting the fruits. Cucumbers can cool the body and the blood, which gave rise to the phrase, cool as a cucumber. The cooling effects of cucumber can soothe sunburn. Mix up a puree and apply it to the affected areas. Don't stray just yet. Peaches have something in the bag for us. Peaches. The largest peach on record with the Guinness Book of World Records weighed an astonishing 25.6 ounces. That's enormous, literally. Is scientific evidence that suggests that peach extracts are effective at killing breast cancer cells. There are hundreds of varieties of peaches in existence today, but all peaches are categorized into 2 types, freestones and clingstones. The peach has been the theme of many popular songs. In 1996, the presidents of the United States of America released arguably their most popular song titled Peaches. The song is about a boy sitting under a peach tree, waiting for his crush to arrive, so he shares his feelings. Peaches are considered a fruit of calmness in Hungary. It is believed a natural sedative found in the fruit can help relieve stress and anxiety and help promote sound sleep. One last fruit before we draw the curtains, strawberries. At last, strawberries. Strawberries are the only fruits with seeds on the outside. Strawberries are powerful teeth whiteners. There are about 200 seeds in every strawberry. Since it is considered an aphrodisiac, the French traditionally serve newlyweds a soup made out of strawberries at the wedding breakfast. Unlike some fruits, strawberries don't continue to ripen once picked. Contrary to popular assumptions that oranges have the most vitamin C out of any fruit, strawberries contain more. A large sweet red berry contains 10.5 milliliters compared to 70 milliliters of vitamin C in an orange. With that, we've come to the end of today's content. Now you know what fruits to add to your diet. And if they were already there, you might appreciate them better since their goodness transcends what it does to your taste buds. Thanks for being there, guys. We hope you had fun and, of course, found this educating every step of the way. We would love to know your thoughts. Like the video, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more scintillating content like this. We're about to bounce, but we promise to be back, so keep a date with us.